What up, YouTube? What up? Happy Cash Out Fridays. Let's get this money, people. Let's get this money, all right? October 2nd now, right? Yo, people, if you don't think September went by so fast, I don't know who you are right now, all right, people? September has flew. Fastest month of the year by far has to be September, all right? We got to get on a different mindset, a different mind frame, all right? You want to bring in income every single day. I don't care if it's $1, $10, $8, $20, $30. It has to be some type of drip of income every single day. Free Online Money Maker, this is our channel right here. This is what we do, all right? We all come together, make money online, and do not waste people's time. We share with each other the best ways to make money online. All right? Every single day, I'm putting in different type of I'm using different sites, and I'm looking for different apps and sites that actually work, that can help us on an every single day basis. That's very easy to use, so we won't have to be wasting all day trying to earn some income. All right, so it's Free Online Money Maker. Happy Cash Outs Friday. Let's dive straight into it, people. Let's dive straight into it. All right, let me just jump into one of my look, people, always got your videos. People, always play your videos. Insta GC, link in the description. Get your bonus, all right? Watch videos, people. Watch your videos and get this money, all right, people? Let's jump into Prize Rebel real quick. Let's jump into Prize Rebel real quick, all right? You see, I got the, I just earned your monthly bonus points, all right? My monthly bonus points. So what's that mean? Depending on how many points you earn, this is why I love the sites that I use. I don't show you 100 different sites because I don't like doing that, all right? This is when I first started, I was using like 200 sites, not getting anything done, right? Just not making no sense. Logging into sites, not doing any, like just wasting time, all right? Just go with the good 10 sites, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sites, right? Until you start getting that rhythm, all right? But why I love Prize Rebel so much, depending on how many points you get per month, every single first of the month they give you bonus. I've been getting these bonus points right here every single month for the last 4 years. Every single month. Yeah, I know it's only $2.24, but it's every single month on demand. It doesn't matter if it's $2.24. I don't care. I need a little drip. You know what I'm saying? This my drip. This little drip of income right here. I know I'm gonna get $2, $3, $4, $5, $8 every single month for the first of the month. I know I'm gonna get that every single month from Prize Rebel. So you know how powerful that is? Stop looking at the number right here. Just look at what's happening. Don't look at the number. Look at what's happening. Oh snap! I'm getting income just literally dropped in my lap. Thin air just dropped in my lap every single month. Let alone every single day. Already on top of every single day. And then on top of that, you give me something for the month. All right, people? So like I said, you got to grind. You got to look at things differently. Stop looking at what you actually see. Look at what you want in life as far as your dreams, your goals, your visions. Look at that while you're looking at this. All right? Like while you're grinding and doing whatever you're doing, like I said, even if you don't use what I use, like even if you just take the same mindset that I'm doing and then just implement it in your life, you'll be straight. You'll be straight, all right? But the thing is you want to do is it has to be every day. I don't care what you do in life, it has to be every day. If you work out every day. Let's not work out sometimes, work out every day, right? If you make money, let's make money every day. Not sometimes, not once in a while. Everything is every single day. If you're going to be a good person every day, right? So it's every single day. There is no, right? All right, so no days off. Let's jump into it. You know how I like to go, people. You know how I like to go. All right, it's going to be no tutorial on this one, people. I'm going to give you a little short tutorial at the end. I had a little mini tutorial, a little couple things that I've seen that I think you guys should definitely pay attention to. But let me come down here. Let's go here. Look at this, people. Nothing crazy. Look at my clicks. Nothing. Look at my referral signups. Basically nothing, right? Look at my earnings. $2, $2, $1, $3, $1. This is why I'm showing you guys this. I'm showing you guys because imagine you come in here and you just make $2 on a 30. If you just make $2.67 and you make $1.83, you just make it $3.05. If you think you can't get on here and make $1.07 in one day, I don't know. Like, come on. If you think you can't get on here and make $3, look at this. Look, 96 cents one day, right? You gotta come in here and start earning these incomes. So now it starts bubbling, starts rolling. Look, big day right here, $5. $5 is always a big day. You get $5 for free out of nowhere. Somebody just sent it to you. You can't really be mad, right? So every single day I'm trying to create income and trying to create free different ways that actually work. All right, I've been doing that every single day for the last 4 years, and it's been a blessing. All right, so I'm trying to get you guys on the same page. All right, I'm gonna have a countdown to Christmas video coming up. Countdown to Christmas video. Countdown to Black Friday video. Like I said, people, everything's coming quick. People, you gotta wake up. Everything's coming quick. All right. Sometimes that's why I don't like with prize rubber. See, look at that. They got me at bronze. You see what I'm saying? Like, why they do that? So I'm gonna go back to rewards. I guess I don't know what happened. I guess it's some type of glitch sometimes. They better fix it because I need this. I need to cash out right now. All right. Happy Cash Outs Friday. All right. Actually, a gold member, not a bronze member. I don't know what's going on with prize rubber sometimes. Sometimes it'd be like a little glitch in the system. There you go. Diamond member, $17.45. People, $17.45. $0 earnings today. All right, $0 earnings today. Let me show you guys my lifetime real quick. Show you guys my lifetime. Look, lifetime right here. All right. So like I said, on an every single day basis, there's different things you could do to really try to like help your case on an every single day basis. Stop overdrafting. Stop always needing money for gas. Stop make sure the refrigerator is filled up, right? Like make sure you're paying extra bills that you have on the side to get your credit back up. You know what I'm saying? Everything adds up, people. Everything adds up. Look, lifetime points, $6,435.50. 464 times I cashed out. 3,442 total referrals since day one. $5.80 points earned yesterday. All right, people, points earned yesterday. All right, so like I said, every day you want to grind. The reason why I got that is because of the bonus. That bonus helped, right? See, 580 yesterday. That 224 helped because I only made like 276. I mean 276 yesterday, and then boom, this comes in. All right, so like I said, keep grinding, people. And I'm so mad sometimes I do this. Look at the rewards. I be wanting to cash out immediately, and then show you guys later. Like show you guys the video later, so we'll see what happens right here. Let's just jump into these games. Look at all these cash outs, people. Everybody's cashing out, people. It's free income, all right? Left side, you're going to go to the PayPal. It's free income, people. All you got to do is go up on here, do your surveys, watch your videos, right? Do your offers, do your tasks. It's so easy, people. Every single day, just continue to grind. Continue to put in that daily effort every single day, and you will see rewards, people. You will see rewards, all right? $15 cash out right here. Usually $15 cash outs take a little longer. Claim this item right here. So $15 cash out straight to my PayPal right now. Instant reward delivery. Gold Plus members. You got to understand that, people. Instant. It's not that instant, but it's instant. Maybe like 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. 15 minutes max, right? Now, I love that, but let's talk about the speed ratio on these other sites, people. The speed ratio, Offer Nation, Super Pay, Rewarding Waves is insane. Speed ratio is insane. You literally get your money in your account within seconds, people. All right, this Offer Nation right here. Let me refresh this real quick. And like I said, people, this is what I do every single day. I'm grinding. I'm going hard. I'm trying to be different out here. I want you guys to understand that we could do things that be differently. We could be different out here. We don't have to continue doing the same thing every single day, right? I'm talking about as far as like struggling. We want to do the same thing every day, but positive things, like whatever is going to bring us more income, whatever is going to help us out on an everyday basis. This is what you want to do every single day. All right, let me log out of here real quick. Computer acting slow because I got my videos playing in the background. I should have turned it off. Let's go. All right, 284, 163 still loading up here. All right, there it goes. Still loading up. Just finished loading up. Let's go to let's go to convert my points. Let's go to convert points first. And like I said, it's Happy Cash Out Fridays. Even if I cash out $10, $5 today, I don't be upset, people. I'd be so happy. I was so happy when I used to cash out $2 every single day. I used to cash out $2 every single day. Once I figured that out, I said, oh, snap, something's happening. I said, something's happening, people. I'm cashing out $2 every single day for the last 6 months. All right, how do I cash out $5? Started doing that. How do I cash out $8? Started doing that. How do I cash out $12 every single day? Started doing that. See what I'm saying? So you gotta understand. You have to start somewhere. That's what I'm saying. Once you start making this free money, your brain is gonna get on super overload mode. Like you're gonna get like, oh no. You're gonna be like, no, I have to learn. I have to learn this. I have to figure it out. I have to make more. That's what your brain's gonna say. Your brain's gonna be like, this is cool, but we gotta make way more, and this is fun. I gotta make way more, and imagine if I could make $80 on a computer, $90, $100, $120, $150, $200 every day on a computer. I quit my job. See what I'm saying? So you gotta understand, you gotta start baby steps and climb up. Once you climb up to where you want to get to, now you can change your life. All right, but you have to grind. This is not lottery, people. You have to grind. There has to be some type of grind going into this. All right, let's convert this to cash. Should be like $4, $4.48. Let's go to withdraw, and let's go to instant PayPal. Always do instant PayPal, people. In the PayPal within minutes, people. All right. So like I said, I'm just doing a quick cash out. Running a little bit late. 7:02. Running a little bit late right here, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Super Pay. Look at Super Pay. Oh my God. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this, people. I told you guys I got so many different tutorials. There's a different tutorial that I kind of wanted to show you guys, but I'm losing track of time right now. So when I come back home, I got something for you guys. I got a how to do surveys video, and no, that's not my points. My points is 33.25. 33.25. 1691 right here. Let's go to rewards. And people, you have to understand, there's gonna be a day where I actually don't, like, I'm always gonna need the money, but there's gonna be a day like I'm not desperately for this money. Like right now, I really need this money. I'm not cashing out just to cash out, people. I hope y'all don't think that. Like, oh, he's just cashing out. Just like, no, I literally need this money. This money is literally going to bills. Like, it's really going to money to go to bills, clean up my everything that I'm doing. Why does it look like it's not matching up though? Oh, okay, that's just how it is. This is all going to bills. All right, 1691 plus the 4, that's 2091. Plus the change on there is $21. Plus Prize Rebel that I X'd out because it was taking too long loading. So Prize Rebel, so 21 plus the Prize Rebel for the 15. That's $36 cash out. $36, 100% free PayPal income. Come here to rewarding ways. Like I said, I only show you a certain like 10, 15 sites, people. If you go through my channel, there's probably no more than like 25 sites max. Why? Because I keep it small because we gotta earn. Let's just make money from the sites that are the best instead of just, you know what I mean, running around online every day. Let's just get money from the sites that actually work immediately. All right, let's convert these points. 626.21. All right, people. So free online money maker. Make sure y'all do this every single day. Make sure y'all do this every single day. You see me cashing out here. Yeah, it's not hundreds of dollars, but I'll take this $8, add it to my $36, right, and finish with $44 cash out. So it's a $44 cash out right here. Let's go to rewards. Withdraw cash. And why do I show you this? To show you that the money's coming in. The money's not a problem. Like, don't be scared. Don't be skeptic. Don't be like, how long does the money come? No, you get on here. You do what you got to do. You watch my tutorials. You follow what I'm saying. Use my link in the description. You get a bonus. You get future extra points. Like, you know what I'm saying? Be smart with what you're doing. Be smart with what you're doing on every single day basis. Use these sites. Even if you make $1 a day on these sites, you still have $4 a day. If you make $2, you still have $8 a day. You make $3 on each site, you still have $12 a day every single day. All right? $12 a day every single day. $460 at the end of the month. $360 at the end of the month. You know what I'm saying? So what do you want to do? How much, like, what do you want to do with this money, people? Like, what do you want to do, right? It's every single day you gotta ask yourself that, all right? Free online money maker. Make sure you stay focused and follow your dreams, people. Make sure you stay focused and follow your dreams. It's Happy Cash Out Fridays, people. We do this every single day. On Friday, I just like to highlight it more because the weekends come up. You know things happen on the weekends, all right? You know things happen on the weekends where you can't control it. Things happen, all right? Things happen on the weekend. So you always want to have some income ready, or just have some income coming in every day. So if something happened, you could do something. Or if something happened, if you do still need help, you need a little bit of help. You don't need the whole help, right? Because you got some income coming in, all right? So there's people on my channel that are using these sites every single day, and all they're doing is just saving it. They're not cashing out. They're not spending the money. They're cashing out, but they're not spending the money. They're just letting it sit. like as a savings account. All right, so it depends what type of mindset are you in. If you're young, you gotta go for it. If you're young, you gotta go for it. Use all your spare time.